Find the inverse of the function f of x equals negative 2x plus 1. So the inverse of a function, what we need to do is first solve the function for its inverse. So we take y equals negative 2x plus 1. So that's just the function on its own, but I've rewritten f of x as y. Now, to make an inverse, we swap the x and the y values. So just take the variables and swap their positions. So that x minus 1 equals negative 2y, or y equals x minus 1 over negative 2, which might be a little bit easier to work with if I just write it as f inverse of x equals negative x over 2 plus 1 half. All right, so there's my inverse function, negative x over 2 plus 1 half. Now, the next thing is to draw both of the graphs. So I'll draw the original graph of negative 2x plus 1 in one color. So y-intercept of 1 and a slope of negative 2. So if I go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, or up 2, back 1, and I can get plenty of points on my graph. So this is the original function f of x. Now the inverse. The inverse is negative x over 2 plus 1 half. So we have a point at 1 half, and then we would go down 1 and over 2 to get the next point. Down 1 over 2 to get the next point. And then I can't go any further this way, but I could go up 1 and back 2 to get another. Up 1, back 2, and so forth. So this line is going to be my inverse. Now, if you'll notice, the line y equals x would go right through here. And the idea, I kind of missed a point just a little bit there, but the idea is if you fold the about this line, everything's going to be symmetric about this line with inverses. So anyway, those are the graphs.